dear viewers. Discover the 2025 Isuzu D-Max, rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. The 2025 Isuzu D-Max takes pickup trucks to the next level, delivering a perfect blend of rugged durability and refined performance. Whether you're tackling tough jobs or heading out on an adventure, this versatile powerhouse has you covered. Celebrated for its reliability and value, the D-Max is crafted to attract drivers who want capability, comfort, and cutting-edge features all in one package. Striking exterior design. The D-Max turns heads with its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines that exude power and agility. Balancing a tough utilitarian design with modern aesthetics, it's aerodynamic enough to glide through city streets while standing strong on rugged trails. This is a truck that looks as tough as it performs. Powerful performance. Built for action, the 2025 D-Max is powered by efficient and robust turbo diesel engine options, including a 1.9-liter and a 3.0-liter, delivering impressive torque for towing, hauling, and off-roading. Whether you prefer the hands-on feel of a 6-speed manual or the convenience of an automatic transmission, the D-Max offers the versatility to suit any driving style. This truck is engineered to conquer both highways and tough terrains with ease. Step inside the 2025 D-Max, and you'll find a cabin that's as functional as it is refined. Premium materials, an ergonomic layout, and updated seating make long drives a pleasure. The 8 or 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone connectivity keeps you connected on the go, while ample storage and user-friendly controls ensure everything is within easy reach. Whether it's work or play, this interior is designed to keep you comfortable and in control. Competitive pricing. The 2025 D-Max offers exceptional value, with prices starting at an estimated $33,000 for base models and reaching up to $50,000 for top-tier trims packed with luxury features. Whether you're a budget-conscious buyer or looking for a premium experience, the D-Max provides options to suit every need. Why choose the 2025 D-Max? The 2025 Isuzu D-Max is more than just a pickup truck. It's a reliable companion for every journey. With its blend of durability, power, and modern features, it's perfect for tackling daily tasks and conquering off-road adventures alike. If you're looking for a truck that doesn't compromise on comfort, technology, or safety, the D-Max is ready to deliver. Get ready to redefine what a pickup can do with the all-new 2025 Isuzu D-Max. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.